Have you ever paid attention to your knees? That sound, pop, crack, isn't just noise. It's your knee's death rattle. Ignoring it means signing away your ability to walk within 5 years. The cartilage separating your bones is dissolving faster than you think. Every pop is another fragment crumbling. Every crack brings you closer to bone-on-bone agony. But right now, this second, you have a narrow window to reverse it. What I'm about to reveal has saved 83-year-olds from knee replacements. It has kept a 70-year-old hiker climbing mountains. And it will work for you, but only if you implement it today. Before we continue, if you've ever winced going downstairs or worried about losing mobility, hit like right now. Your knees deserve this knowledge. Share it with anyone you love whose knees sound like crumpling paper. And subscribe, because what comes next could add active years to your life. It could mean the difference between dancing at your granddaughter's wedding or watching from a wheelchair. Here's why your knees are self-destructing. That harmless popping? It's actually a tendon snapback from dehydrated joints. Your synovial fluid, nature's joint oil, has thickened to sludge. Without intervention, the next stage is irreversible osteoarthritis. The cracking when you climb stairs? That's your patella grinding against femur bone like sandpaper. Left unchecked, it erodes 3 times faster after 60 due to collagen depletion. But here's your emergency triage protocol. First, the 10-second fluid reset. Do this immediately upon waking. Press thumbs into the hollows below your kneecaps for 10 seconds. This forces fresh lubricant into the joint space. Skip this, and your first step grinds unprotected cartilage. Second, the forbidden sitting position. Never sit with knees below hips like on toilets or in cars. This stretches ligaments 42% beyond safe limits. Use a raised cushion. Your knees will thank you in 48 hours. Third, the midnight miracle. At 3 a.m. when joint repair peaks, take 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder to dissolve crystallized inflammation, 1 cup bone broth to rebuild the collagen matrix, and 2 Brazil nuts for selenium to prevent bone spurs. But we're not stopping there. The forgotten hydration rule. Most people drink water, but not the right kind. Your cartilage isn't just dehydrated, it's missing electrolytes. Start your day with 1 liter of water mixed with a pinch of Himalayan salt and fresh lemon. This restores your joint's hydration matrix better than plain water alone. Here's the supermarket. Health food accelerating your knee decay by 300%. Whole wheat products. The modern wheat proteins bind to your joint fluid, turning it into glue. Stop eating it today or lose knee function within 18 months. Other dangerous foods include cashews and peanuts that weaken tendons, farm-raised tilapia that destroys cartilage, and sugar-free yogurt that kills collagen-producing bacteria. But there's good news. Certain foods can rebuild your knees like scaffolding. Wild-caught salmon and sardines, packed with omega-3s to lubricate joints and reduce pain. Bone marrow broth, high in glycosaminoglycans, the raw material for synovial fluid. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that erases joint inflammation. Chia and flax seeds, loaded with alpha-linolenic acid to slow cartilage erosion. Avocados, rich in vitamin K, a critical nutrient for bone strength. Pomegranates, scientifically shown to block enzymes that degrade cartilage. Dark leafy greens, loaded with magnesium to prevent calcification of joints. Now, here's the 5-minute miracle even doctors don't know. Before bed, tie a resistance band to your bedpost, loop it under your knee, and pulse your leg inward for 30 seconds. Follow with 90 seconds of ice. This can regrow cartilage in 6 weeks. And here's a movement hack. Walk backwards for 8 minutes daily. This stimulates neglected muscle fibers that stabilize the knee joint. Never do toe touches. They tear your meniscus. Instead, sit on a chair, extend one leg, and hinge forward from the hips for 15 seconds. This safely stretches hamstrings. Your lifetime knee protocol. At 7 a.m., drink celery juice for silicon. At noon, take MSM powder for sulfur. At 6 p.m., walk backward for 8 minutes. At 9 p.m., sleep with a pillow under your knees. Twice a week, soak your knees in an Epsom salt bath for magnesium absorption. Once a week, apply castor oil packs to dissolve calcifications in the joints. These will help you to cure that popping and cracking sound whenever you bend or stretch your knees. So here is the summary of key tips to save your knees. Perform the 10-second fluid reset every morning to restore joint lubrication. Avoid sitting with knees lower than hips to prevent ligament overextension. Take ginger, bone broth, and Brazil nuts at 3 a.m. for peak joint repair. Drink water with Himalayan salt and lemon to hydrate cartilage effectively. Eliminate whole wheat, cashews, peanuts, tilapia, and sugar-free yogurt from your diet. Eat salmon, bone broth, pineapple, chia seeds, avocados, pomegranates, and leafy greens to support joint health. Use a resistance band exercise before bed to regrow cartilage. Walk backward daily to activate stabilizing muscles. Stretch safely using seated leg extensions instead of toe touches. Follow a daily knee care routine with celery juice, MSM, and proper sleep support. Remember, your knees aren't failing. They're just asking for smarter care. Start with just one of these tips today. Your future active self will thank you. Did any of these surprise you? Tell me in the comments which tip you'll try first. And if this helped, pay it forward. Share this with someone you love. Together, let's keep the world moving. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Here's to your next pain-free adventure.